Good day there, lads and lasses, if there's anybody, any of that gender watching. Here we have a 65mm master. Patented master, tough under fire. Well, they're certainly tough, but it's not because of the security features or anything. It's because of the bloody plugs on these things. It's a No15 master lock company. God knows how old it is. But the plug is like the proverbial in a shirt sleeve. Side to side, in and out, if I can get it. In and out. It's that sloppy. These things are so clunky. These masters I've found, every one I've picked, they've been so clunky inside. I have to say it's really not by skill, I don't think, that I get these. It's more by getting the clunks to happen in the right place, and then it falls open. Now, I've single pin picked this a few times, but I've had 3 takes for the camera to try and single pin pick it again, and it just won't work. So I finished up using Pete's Bogota special. So I'm going to have another go. Locked up. I have no key for it, as is normal with most of my locks that I acquire. So I'm going to have one more attempt at single pin picking it. And if it doesn't work in a minute or so, I'll abort that and I'll bring out Pete's Bogota. But it comes down to pin number 5. It's a 5-pinner, I think. It comes down to pin number 5. That seems to be the bucket that stuffs everything up. I just can't. If I can get pin 5, the rest just sort of fall into place and the lock falls open. But it all comes down to that pin 5, I think. I don't know if there's any security pins in these master locks. And I can't really tell because they're so clunky and lumpy inside. So disappointing when you can get these off camera and they put up a bitch of a fight on camera. I'm not going to get it now. Whether it's a matter of getting that plug in the right spot in there with all that slackness. Nah. If you go back too far, it feels like it catches on something else. You think it's a pin, but I'm really stuffed if I know. Ah, you son of a sod. Finally got it. Okay. Single pin picked.